Hello everyone, this is Teacher J. Excel in PSLE Maths. Question number 85. Mr. Green was at point E. Point E, Mr. Green is here. He walked based on the route stated below. The route is here. Route taken. One step west, one step south. Alright. 然后我们的方向啊，这里有一个方向呢，给了我们 north。很多同学可能如果对这个方向还不熟悉的 directions north west east and south OK 四个方向然后呢他说他 take one step west 但是这里我们的每一步 one step 在我们的格子里边 OK So 开始，他问，那当然我们先看一下问题啊 ，OK。At which point would he be in the end? In the end, OK， 没有问题啊。第一步 ，one step west， 来到这里了哦。Step two, one step south. Two steps east 往东走 east two steps and two steps north 这是我们的这里写上3 3 4 OK that is it at which point would he be in the end He would be at point B in the end 这种题目我们最好回答一下 OK 很简单的一个步行问题方向问题那么如果说还对方向不明确的同学这个东西是一定要记的，这个东西不可能不会的啊！上北下南，上北下南，左西右东 ，north south west east。Okay, and that is all for this question. This is Teacher J, and I will see you guys next time. Bye bye.